Hello all. Today I aim to shed light on human metapneumovirus HMPV that has recently gained significant attention due to its widespread impact on healthcare systems, particularly pediatric hospitals. China is seeing a surge in respiratory infections, but let's separate fact from fear. HMPV is not a new virus. First discovered in 2001, it's been around for decades. It primarily affects the respiratory tract and is a leading cause of acute respiratory infections worldwide. Now, who is at risk? While anyone can contract HMPV, it predominantly affects children under 5 years, elderly individuals, and immunocompromised patients. Symptoms of HMPV. The symptoms of HMPV are similar to other respiratory infections and ranges from milder ones like cough, fever, sore throat, nasal congestion and wheeze, and severe symptoms like bronchiolitis, pneumonia, or even acute exacerbation of asthma or COPD do exist. Now, you must be wondering how it spreads. Well, the transmission occurs through respiratory droplets during coughing or sneezing, direct contact with contaminated surfaces or objects, and close contact with infected individuals. Infections usually peak in late winter and early spring, which is similar to the flu. The situation in China appears to follow this trend. Diagnosis of HMPV is typically confirmed through laboratory tests like HMPV PCR test, rapid antigen test, and in certain cases, even bronchoscopy is advisable. Recently, 2 cases of HMPV have been detected in India, raising concern about its potential spread. This highlights the importance of preventive measures like proper hand washing, mask wearing, and avoiding close contact with individuals who are showing these respiratory symptoms. In conclusion, while the situation remains under observation, staying vigilant, practicing preventive measures, and ensuring early diagnosis and supportive care are essential in controlling the further spread of the virus. Thank you, and follow BGen Pharma for more info.